The installation consists of 3 steel poles, cables, a steel ring, and a net structure of varying densities and colors. The 3 steel poles, ranging in height from 25 to 50 meters, are painted white with red stripes to reference nearby smokestacks and lighthouses. The poles support a 20-ton steel ring, from which the 1-ton net is suspended. The ring greets the ocean at a slant, ranging from 13.5 meters off of the ground at the lowest point, and 27 meters at the highest. The steel ring diameter is 45 meters at an angle to the ground. The net is comprised of 36 individual mesh sections, in different densities, hand-joined along all sides into a multi-layered form. The net material is made of Tanara architectural fiber, a UV-resistant material made of PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene. She Changes, known locally as Anemona, is a sculpture designed by artist John Eckelman for the cities of Porto and Matosinhos, in northern Portugal. The sculpture is made up of colorful net structures, suspended between 3 steel masts. The nets are composed of lightweight, flexible materials that allow them to sway and change shape with the wind, giving the sculpture its dynamic appearance. This feature symbolizes the constant movement and transformation of life. This landmark is a symbol of artistic expression. In Cidade Salvador Plaza, it has become a popular attraction for locals and visitors alike, offering a unique and immersive experience in the realm of public art. Using color and material to invoke the memory of the site's history as a fishing and industrial center. This 3-dimensional multi-layer net floats over the roundabout of Cidade Salvador Plaza. It was credited as the first permanent, monumental public sculpture to use an entirely soft and flexible set of membranes. Moving fluidly in the wind, the work casts cinematic shadow drawings onto the ground, further highlighting the wind choreography. It is captivating at night when it is illuminated with vibrant LED lights, creating a mesmerizing visual spectacle. The changing colors and patterns further enhance the sculpture's enchanting presence. The city has made the sculpture its graphic symbol, and residents give different interpretations of the work, from fishing nets, ships, and masts of the Portuguese maritime history, the red and white striped smokestacks of the area's industrial past, to Portuguese lace, sea creatures, and ripples in water.